Hey everybody, how's it going? So I've got my very good friend Colin Scott from CS Guitars here.
Hello.
We're hanging out at 42 Gear Street. Wide shot there, Trey. We've got Trey Xavier doing the camera switching. So if the camera goes in a weird direction, that's absolutely fine. It's Trey's first time. You could even say he's a switching virgin.
Oh, he is.
Just like the rest of his life. We're gonna have a very special guest in here.
What's going on?
We're doing metal on inappropriate instruments. So we've got heavy metal banjo and heavy metal dual string mandolin.
And you're playing this through distorted amps?
Yeah, we're playing it through the Friedman back here. Yeah, we were just gonna try doing some like metal type riffs.
That is
on these ridiculous instruments.
One of the stupidest ideas ever.
Yeah, I know. This should totally be on your show.
This is stupider than my videos, and that says a lot.
I don't know. We did metal on a cigar box guitar.
Yes, we did. I know that this works. It actually really doesn't sound bad.
Yeah.
Banjo, that's got a lot of piercing high end and piercing high mids.
Okay, just like your voice.
I'm gonna go now.
Okay, please do.
Because you suck, and I don't ever know what you're saying.
Oh no! Touch me!
Touch me! Like getting kissed by German Jabba the Hutt. So, Colin, why don't you start us off there, pal? Let's see.
I'll just rip my levels here.
Okay.
But yes, I'll start us off.
Let's see what we get here. Good luck, dude.
I've heard that to play metal really well, you need 8-string guitar, and this has 8 strings.
Oh, there you go.
So
metal
you know
on
this must.
That's pretty sick, man.
Pretty cool.
Okay, let's try that on the banjo. I don't know how that's gonna work. It's like this is playing guitar on a drum with like 0 fucking sustain, so it's a completely different ballgame. Now this is a guitar banjo. This is tuned like a guitar. It's not like 4-string banjo where you have like the drone string and that kind of thing. Because I totally don't even understand what that tuning is all about. It's kind of interesting, yeah. I gotta say, it's kind of like, you know, you're like riding kind of a bull or something like that with the feedback, because it's like, you definitely have to play to a threshold.
Yeah.
Because if you stop, it's just gonna squeal.
You've got to constantly play. It's got to be shredding all the time.
Well, I don't know about shredding, but it's gonna be doing something anyway. Otherwise, that feedback's just gonna drown out exactly what you're doing. It's definitely a gnarly, nasty fucking tone. If we go to like a clean amp, I think this is somewhat cleaner. That's kind of cool for like, you know, almost kind of like an overdriven kind of thing. Like you go on like full on metal scream back onto this this Friedman, whatever the fuck it is. It's just like. And like forget about doing leads, eh? I don't know, can you do that on,
See if I can do that on mine.
Mandolin? Can you shred on a mandolin?
Let's see.
It's pretty cool. You know what? I'll bet you if you did a solid... And now this is the thing. Now we're understanding why the solid body electric guitar was invented.
Oh, yes.
Because of the feedback issue. I mean, like, love those Gretsch guitars and, you know, those Gibson Birdlands and that kind of thing. But I mean, like, you can only crank up your amps so loud before they start feeding back. Yeah, the wood starts vibrating. And that's the thing. You just feel the whole instrument vibrate and that kind of thing. And that is exactly why the solid body guitar was invented. Now, that was a solid body mandolin with an electric pickup on it and metal strings.
Play it no problem.
It would be, yeah, that would be actually fucking cool. Maybe we should hit up Ortega and ask them if they can do something like that. Yeah, we got to mention here, these wonderful instruments have been supplied by Ortega, and yeah, they've got this wonderful fucking electric banjo thing. It's really fucking cool, and apparently banjo players hate it because it's tuned like a guitar.
Oh yeah, it's totally not cool.
Yeah, I mean, like, you know, it's like you turn the volume down and just go to a less noisy amp here for a second. And I mean, like, it like acoustically, it's a banjo. I mean, we're just gonna pick up on the mic here. You know, it's like. You know what I mean? It sounds like a fucking banjo, but I mean, like, every bluegrass guy out there watching this video is going, no, that is fucking sacrilege. You know what I mean? But I mean, like, a mandolin's a mandolin. I mean, like, you could take that to like a Celtic gig and, you know, get wasted and do your bar fights and everything, no problem.
It's a very pretty one as well. It's very well made.
Oh yeah, it's gorgeous. I'm like, acoustically, that's a beautiful sounding instrument. Let's hear it.
I really don't know my uke chords.
Yeah, fair enough. It's like, but I mean, like, yeah, that would filter.
That works.
That would fit right in with a Celtic band, like, no problem. And then there's, yeah, a double neck thing. Yeah, I don't get mandolin tuning at all. I really should figure that out at some point. That's almost like, is that mandolin or is that ukulele?
Ukulele, I think.
Okay, so we got a mandolin.
It's sort of a mix on this neck, because
Okay.
you've got the doubled up strings, it's like a mandolin, but then this side's definitely a ukulele.
Okay, so it's mandolele.
A ukulele, mandolele, that's the
Mandolele.
Mandolele,
That
yeah,
works.
that's a cool name.
That's pretty fucking cool. All right, so there you go. Can you play metal on a non-traditional metal instrument? Yes, but maybe you shouldn't. Or at least if you're going to play banjo, play it acoustically like Rob Scallon does. And Rob's done it better than both of us put together. Yeah.
Yes.
And I highly recommend checking out Rob's Slayer on a banjo videos, that kind of stuff. Those are fucking killer. But as always, I'm super thrilled to have Colin on the show.
Oh, yes,
thanks for being on. And we're going to do another video. We're going to check out the Friedman guitars, or Friedman amps in just a moment. So that's that.